If you're thinking about purchasing a water softener for your home, then there are a few things you need to consider. Your water softener will need to be installed where there is access to your mains water supply, a plug socket, your drainage system, and of course in a suitable sized cupboard or under your kitchen sink. Remember, it needs to be accessible so that you can easily top up the salt. There are two types of ion exchange water softeners that you can buy, either one with a timed valve or one with a metered valve. A timed valve will regenerate at a set time regardless of how much water has been used, whereas a metered valve measures the amount of water you have used and only regenerates when it needs to. Metered valve softeners are better for the environment as they tend to use less water per regeneration and only start a regeneration cycle when required. During the regeneration cycle, a salty brine solution is used to clean the resin beads using a process called reverse ion exchange. This is where the hardness molecules your softener has removed are cleaned off of the resin and sent down the drain, preparing the beads to continue softening your water. Most softening resins can last 15+ years, so your only consumable cost is the salt required to regenerate the resin. Last but not least, consider the model that best suits your home. To ensure you choose the right softener, you need to know how many people live in the house and the water hardness. If you don't know your water hardness, you can usually find this on your local water board's website, or for a more accurate figure, we recommend ordering a water hardness test kit. The hardness of your water and estimated water usage, which is based on the number of occupants, are what is used to program the valve that controls the regeneration of your softener. Lastly, remember that all softeners require an installation kit in order to fit it, which tends to include inlet and outlet hoses, bypass set, and a drain hose. When ordering an installation kit, you must ensure that the fittings suit your existing pipework, which is generally either 15 mm or 22 mm in the home. Most plumbers are able to install a water softener, or if you have DIY experience, you should be able to do it yourself. Often it can be more cost-effective to purchase your water softener and pay for installation separately. So don't forget to compare all options. Now you are up to speed on what you need to consider before buying a water softener. Why don't you head over to our website to check out our range of softeners or learn more through our Knowledge Hub? Ultrasoft, your water softening specialists.